Welcome to this presentation on the Trinity Distribution Enhancements module from Dynavistics. The Distribution Enhancements module is effectively a toolbox that contains several new areas of functionality to improve the effectiveness of your inventory control and sales transaction processing. These cover margin and part shipment control, inventory allocation management, barcode management, and enhancements to sales batches and the stock take process. In this video, however, we're concentrating on three topics that control what inventory items customers can and cannot buy. These are disallowed items, customer-specific items, and restricted item lists. These are typically used where a wholesaler has agreed with a customer either to sell from a limited range of items, or agreed not to sell certain items, or wants to ensure that particular inventory items are sold to a small number of customers only. We'll also look at a method for assigning additional codes to inventory items. Let's look at these in more detail. Here we are in Sales Transaction Entry, entering an order for Contoso. However, if we enter the same item for a different customer, we get an error message saying in effect that this customer is not authorized to buy this product. If we cancel that line and enter a different inventory item, we get a different error message, this time saying the customer is not allowed to buy this product. Although we've not been able to enter either item, the reasons why are different. So how did this happen? If we look at these two file maintenance screens, the one on the left lists the customers who are allowed to purchase the item via MCD 0001. The screen on the right, however, lists the inventory items that a customer, in this case Aaron Fitz, is not allowed to purchase. So the left-hand screen shows by item who can purchase it, whereas the right-hand screen shows by customer what they can't purchase. Back in Transaction Entry, we are entering an order for Bury Medical Centre. The first item is accepted without any problems. Second item, HD60, is rejected with a message that says the customer has a restricted list of inventory items that they are allowed to purchase, and this item is not on it. If we look at the maintenance screen on the right, it shows by GP's inventory item class the products the customer is allowed to purchase. If we drill down on the first item and look at the inventory record, we can see that its class ID of retail is on the customer's product list. The item HD60 was rejected because its class is not on the customer's list. So, the opposite of disallowed items, this shows by item class which products the customer can buy. Note also that if a relationship to a salesperson is in place, when an item is entered, the related salesperson for the item class will be used on the document line. Lastly, we're going to look at alternate item codes. Within standard GP, we can assign different inventory codes and substitute items linked to a specific customer, as shown on the left. However, sometimes we may need to access our inventory using other codes, such as a vendor code, original manufacturer's code, or an old or superseded code. Distribution enhancements allow you to specify these and automatically generate them from existing vendor or customer item codes. These alternate codes are assigned directly to an item number and are not linked to specific customers or suppliers. If we go back to order entry and enter code WALL712, it brings up our inventory item FON ATT0712. Similarly, if I enter a different code, it will also bring up the same item. This is because, against FON ATT0712, we have stored all the valid alternate item numbers that we require. Remember, these are applicable to all customers. If, for whatever reason, an alternate item number is linked to one or more inventory items, this screen will display all available options for you to select. These four items of functionality within the Distribution Enhancements module are designed to help you deal with customer orders correctly and provide more ways to access your GP inventory file. This presentation is one of several short videos on our website that cover additional inventory, purchasing and order processing functionality that will complement your Dynamics GP system. I hope you found this presentation interesting, and if you'd like to know more, please schedule your free demonstration today. Thank you.